What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we are looking at this 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500. So if you guys are looking to get your new body style Silverado lifted, put some new wheels and tires on it, you should take a look at this build that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. So first off, I'm going over the lift kit, which is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift. You have 3 different options when you choose a lift from rough country with this one. We went with the strut spacers, which is gonna just put a spacer on top of your factory strut. So if you have a newer vehicle, this is a good option. Save you a little bit of money, considering you don't have a lot of miles or wear on your shocks, so there's no need to go ahead and get a complete new extended strut, which is your other option if you do have a vehicle that does have more miles. Or you can go with the Vertex coilover shocks, which is gonna give you the best ride quality overall. So if that's something that's important to you, definitely check that one out as well. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is going to be a hybrid tire. This tire is one of our favorite ones to run. It's going to give you the best of both worlds with a more aggressive sidewall and a thicker tread to give you some of the off-road capability and the more aggressive look, but it's also going to give you the on-road capabilities and like a quieter ride and a longer tread life. You do have a couple other options. You have your Fury Country Hunter RT, which is another good hybrid tire, or you can go with the Toyo Open Country AT3. Down here we have a 22x12 Fuel Sledge in the gloss black and milled. This one's gonna have that -44 offset, which is gonna give you a nice big lip on this wheel. It's gonna be about a 5-inch lip from the end of the spoke to the edge of the wheel. Or if you go back just a little bit further, it's gonna be about 5.5, 6-inch lip. So it's really gonna give you that nice deep-ish look. It's also gonna give, overall this wheel is gonna give you a little bit more aggressive feel with all these rivets going around the lip, but then just the design of where the millings are and just the shape of the spokes kind of just give it a more rugged feel. This one does come in a couple finishes, including an all gloss black or an all matte black with the gloss black lip, and then you have your gloss black and milled, and then a couple other finishes. For sizes, this comes from, I believe, an 18x9 all the way up to some of your bigger sizes like a 24 or 26. So there's plenty of options for this wheel if this is one you are considering. So overall, if you guys like this wheel and tire package, this whole build setup for this Silverado, we can get it done for you with your Silverado right here at Krietz Customs. So if you guys are interested, make sure you also check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead, get your truck built now and pay later. So you just go ahead and enjoy it.